This is the first time we have organized a workshop in economic and public policies. This workshop has been an invitation to our global governance students, and this is a unique opportunity to have top speakers in the fields of international relations, geopolitics, and economics that will help our students in the transition from the academic to the professional world.
We not only have class here, but we also have this workshop, and for us it's a great opportunity because we are in the capital of Spain. We are able to meet politicians, to meet personnel from the Central Bank of Spain.
We have had the opportunity to talk to these people and to actually see a concrete example of professional opportunities that we have and to put into practice all these things that we have been learning, and I think that is amazing.
The students have been impressive. They are very well prepared. They were extremely interested in learning and in thinking about their own future, because the future of Europe is the future of the young generations.
We can teach students real-world analysis, real policy evaluation, and also geopolitical and economic challenges.
The professors that have done those seminars have been very open to ask for opinions, which has led me to develop a bit more of critical thinking.
Today we're here at the Spanish Congress. We were guided by members of the Partido Popular, which was a really good experience because we were able to get first-hand knowledge about what they're doing, their challenges.
We are meeting later with people from the Socialist Party as well, and later in the day as well with Podemos. They get to show all the different parts of the political spectrum in Spain.
They show us how actually politics are done, to see how the theory is complemented with the real-life work.
What I enjoy the most about this experience is the opportunity to ask questions directly to people who work in the fields that I one day aspire to be in.
I think that this experience helped all of us developing certain skills, for example, networking with high professional individuals.
You get here and you see that these people is actually just normal people, humans, just like us. So we see that we're not as far as we think, and when they say that we're the leaders of the future, maybe actually 10, 15 years, 20 years, some of us might be there.
This is an amazing learning opportunity, this is an amazing professional opportunity, this is an amazing networking opportunity that I believe makes us more well-rounded professionals and students and people.